When the price of rice is increased by 25%, a family reduces its consumption such that the expenditure is only 10% more than before. If 40 kg of rice is consumed by family before, then find the new consumption of the family. So let's say that earlier for 100 rupees, the family used to get 40 kg of rice. Earlier for 100 rupees, family used to get 40 kg of rice. But now what happened is the prices have increased. Okay, the prices have increased by 25%. So now the new price here will be, earlier it was 100, now it will be 125 rupees. And for 125 rupees, family is able to get 40 kg of rice. But family is not willing to spend this 125 rupees. Family is only willing to increase its expenditure by 10% more than before. So originally before the expenditure was 100 rupees, now it is only willing to increase its expenditure 10% more than before. So 10% more than 100 will be 110 rupees. So now their consumption will change. So let's say that X is the new consumption. So let's first find out the value of X here. So we get X, we do cross multiplication. So we get 40 into 110 divided by this 125. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, and 5 2s are 10. So we have here 8 2s are 16, 2 is 16, 176 divided by 5, or I can say that this is 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 5 5s are 25, 1 5 2s are 10. So we have here new consumption which is 35.2 kgs. So our new consumption X, which is equals to 35.2 kgs. So here option B is the correct one. Now you can solve in this way, or there is another method. Okay, there is another method where we'll use the formula. Okay, so let's see that there is alternative method where we'll use the formula, and formula goes something like this. Formula is expenditure is equals to price into consumption. Okay, the formula is expenditure is equals to price into consumption. Now originally the price was 100, consumption was 40 kg, so the expenditure was 100 into 40. All right, prices was 100, consumption was 40, so the expenditure was 100 into 40. Now what happens is the price is increased by 25%. So here the new price is 125, and the family is only willing to increase its expenditure by 10% more than before. So before the expenditure was 100 into 40. Now this is the entirety of 100%, right? This value is entirety of 100%, and the family is only willing to increase its expenditure by 10% more than before. So this is the entirety of 100%. It is willing to increase this by 10%. So this becomes 110% of this. So 100 cancelled. So we have here, and this will give me the new consumption here. This will give me the new consumption. So we have here 110 into 40 is equals to 125 into this, will get the new consumption. Okay, so new consumption here will be 110 into 40. This 125 goes here and gets divided, so divided by 125, and we have already calculated this thing over here, and we'll get the and it gives us the answer, which is 35.2, and this again is the same as this. Okay, so no matter which way you do you solve the question, you can either use the unitary method, or either you can use this method where we'll use the formula, which is expenditure is equals to price into consumption. So you can use either method and both will give you the same answer.